What is the design of a typical desiccant breather, and how does it work? This cross-section shows our SDB series. Its main feature is the central stainless steel tube. There is a foam filter on the underside to filter the inflowing air. That means that any dust, pollen or other things that are transported in the air are reliably filtered out right there. In the layer above, we can see our silica gel, the standard mixture. The red beads are 25% silica. In the upper area, we can see another foam disc, which prevents the beads from the silica gel, the desiccant, from spilling into the spin-on filter head during transport, or if the part tips over. In this spin-on element at the tip of the assembly, we have a star-plated filter element, which reliably cleans the air with 3-micron glass fiber fabric before it enters the reservoir.